In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure Kobold AI on your mobile phone. So I'm here on my phone, right? So what you'd need to do is to go to your browser and you'd need to search Kobold AI. Now, once you've searched Kobold AI, you need to scroll down a bit and you would need to look for Google Colab. So it's this one, the Google Colab Kobold. So let's select Colab Kobold GPU. Now, as you can see here, we are now in Collab and you could change your Gmail, which is connected here. And we have instructions here as to how to do it. So what you should do is, if you're on mobile, you should tap and play. Now, what this will do is allow your browser to run this silent audio so that it doesn't time out. Now, it is currently connecting. Now, give that a few seconds. All right, so it's initializing and it is now connecting. So it's a 10-hour silent audio. All right, so we'll let that run. Now, the next thing we should do is to select the model that we want to use. Now, we have a few options here. You could select various models, and down here explains what each edition does. So, the different style, and a little bit of a description about the model. So you could go ahead and read and see which one best suits what you want it for. So we're going to select the default one that it is on. We're going to just leave it as default. And then we have the version as being official or United. We're going to leave that as well. The provider, Cloudflare, and we have it is going to use our Google Drive. Okay, so once everything is set in place, you'd simply need to select this play button right here, right beside here. So let's click on play. Now what this will do is it will ask you to connect to your Google Drive. So simply click on connect to Google Drive and then you will choose an account and allow access. Now, once you've allowed access, it will go ahead and it will download the necessary files. Now, as you can see, some of these are quite large. This one, 15,000 megabytes. So I'm guessing you would need to do this on a fresh Google account. So it is currently downloading. So as you can see here, all the different scripts are running. Alright, so once everything has been downloaded, you'll get this message. Kobold AI is finished and loading. So it is now available at this following link. So once you tap on this link, and you would be required to keep the Google Colab open in the background. So once you tap on this link, it will be redirecting you to a interface in which you could get personalized setting for your Kobold. You could get the specifications if you wanted to use this AI to do as a chatbot or any other functionalities. Now, as you can see here, we could soft prompt and all other functions are here. So yeah, that's basically how to go ahead and um, configure Kobold AI on your mobile phone. If you aren't seeing the option to run Google Colab, you'd need to allow your browser to view it in desktop mode. And yeah, so credits to Mr. Seeker, so who created this model. So yeah, that's basically it, how to configure Kobold AI on mobile. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. So thank you for watching. Hacker 777 out.